We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring you guys yet another special news bulletin. Seems like the Crusaders been full of surprises this week. I've been having one hell of a week, just to say. I had to take a little break from the whole credit game, wholesale trade lines, whatever the hell drama that's going on over there, and let you guys know a little something that's happening to the Crusader. The Crusader Cave is no more. So just so you guys know, if you want to get the workshops now, you got to reach out to me personally on Skype, just like I did before I got the Crusader Cave. Unfortunately, Spring, they're being ticktards, and I'm going to tell you guys all about it. Here's the deal. Spring is one of those companies that creators can use to sell merch, like t-shirts, coffee mugs, keychains, all that good stuff. But they also let you do digital content. Now, I mean, as far as the Crusader's concerned, I mean, I got some badass stuff. The t-shirts, the coffee mugs, and all that, but let's be real. Everybody wants the digital content. And the Crusader uploaded his digital content to Spring. When I got my account, they make you wait. You got to have 10,000 subscribers, so I had to work my ass off to get that. And then I uploaded my digital content. And things were going great from May until, I want to say July. Around July, I get an email from one of the representatives at Spring, and they're like, oh, yes, we noticed you're doing really well. Do you need help with anything? And I'm like thinking to myself, I'm like, well, if I'm doing well without you, why would I need help? Like, you know what I mean? I'm already doing good. Why don't you reach out to somebody who's not doing good? But anyways, so like, all right. So then, I start talking to the representative, and I mean, I'm pretty sure she was some crunchy granola college kid or whatever. So, I didn't pay much attention to that. But then she comes at me and she's like, oh yeah, do you want to release NFTs? And that's why the NFTs were released. And I got special news for that. When it comes to those NFTs, I was going to release 4 of them, right? 2 were sold. That's it. There aren't going to be 4. So now the only 2 that are ever going to exist are the people that bought the first 2. And those are my first 2. I'll never do them this way again. So you might want to hold on to those. So with that being said, I go and, I'm looking at my thing and I'm noticing that the percentage that it originally was set at, it was like 12% or whatever. They jacked it up to 20%. They're taking 20% of the profit. I'm like, all right, what? Like, I wouldn't have agreed to that originally. And they're like, and then I messaged my representative, the crunchy granola chick, and I'm like, look, if you guys don't change this back, I'm out of here. The Crusader's gone. And she's all like, doing all that like company, how can I help you? You know what I mean? Like, how like company jargon. And I'm like, yeah, okay. She's like, we'll change it back. Don't worry, it'll go back to what it was. So I was like, all right. So then I go look in my analytics, and it wasn't changed back. So I'm like, what the freaking hell? You said it was gonna be changed back. She's like, oh yeah, you got to go in the thing and like I got like re-upload everything. I'm like, re-upload everything? I'm like, that's gonna take me all freaking day. I'm not doing that. I could make my own website in that time. I mean, are you kidding me? It's like I know how to like a digital upload. The t-shirts and stuff. Yeah, that's like I can't like do all that. But I mean, digital stuff, really? So when it comes to Spring, as far as your digital content is concerned, and if you're a creator who's got digital content, stay the hell away from them. Just use another system. Use another system. Go with, set up your own website and, use PayPal or something, or I don't know. I'm going to be exploring some other things. And if anybody else out there, just, the Crusader, if anybody knows, web design, not web design, but more web development kind of thing, reach out to the Crusader because I may have a job for you, all right? So when it comes to Spring, I got a special message for you guys. You couldn't leave well enough alone. You had to go and kill the golden goose. Well, now instead of getting 20%, now you're getting goose egg from me. So all I got to say is this. See you later, alligator. That's from the Crusader. Crusader out.